Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to do a little daily plan with me in my Makselife daily planner. Okay, so we're going to be planning out Friday, March 31st. I had already put the date cover down. I use date covers from Randy.plans. You can find her shop over on Etsy, but I absolutely love these because the profile is very small. They're on transparent stickers, and you can essentially date like your whole month in advance because it all comes on this one sheet. I think I went ahead and bought like the entire year when these launched because I didn't want to be in a situation where I ran out throughout the year. So I was like, why the hell not, right? So let's take a look at yesterday really quick because I don't think I actually went back and checked anything off in like I normally do. Okay, so I did get laundry done. I did water my plants. I did get the mail out, and we definitely got those dishes and counters done. I did not go to the car wash. Publix I didn't do, but Nathan did. He grabbed milk for us. I didn't get the donation drop off. I'm still kind of gathering all of those things, so it'll happen at this weekend at some point. I also didn't need to go to the post office, so that can just be completely crossed off. Content wise, I did film a couple of reels. I did post to IG. I did get to comments and messages and emails. So that's awesome. Let's see, I did do my AM routine. Water, oh, it was not good yesterday. I think I only got 4 glasses in, and I can kind of feel it today. So definitely need to focus on that. No audiobook, no journaling, and no green juice. Man, yesterday was kind of like a wash. I did do my AM skincare, my PM skincare. I did not unplug at 7. Let's just keep it completely honest. So anyway, I thought it would be fun to start posting these a little bit more. I used to post daily plan with me's a lot more often, and I just kind of got off of that, and I kind of want to get back into doing them more. I even thought about posting these more in the way that I could do every day for a week or so. It just depends on how much time is allotted, but this week I had some extra time. So I, for the most part, have stayed fairly sticker free in this book. So it's not that I don't like stickers or anything like that. It just hasn't been what I've been gravitating towards. But you can see like where I missed a couple of days here. It was hectic, you guys. Sometimes I'll letter, sometimes I won't. Yeah, but not a whole lot of stickers. Oh, I did try stamping here. That was a lot of fun. So here we are with today, Friday, March 31st. And for my headers, I'm going to use this Tombow color 312. It is one of my favorites. I like this shade of bluish green. And I just kind of do a header for each area. You could use stickers for this if you wanted to. And so I'm going to leave a space for to do, tasks at home, errands, and then some room for content things, and then an area for my habits. Easy peasy, right? So one of the things that I do like about this planner is that it's not as structured as maybe some other daily planners, so it really does leave you room to do whatever you need to do in this space. At the same time though, sometimes I do wish that there was a little bit more structure, so just kind of depends on what you need. All right, so let's go ahead and label these headers. So this one's just going to be to do. Nothing overly complicated here, folks, like nothing complicated. Errands, I honestly just don't know how much I'm going to get done in the way of errands today, but we will see. It's kind of a work day, but not really. Kind of hard to explain, but I'm kind of in an on-call situation. It's what's going on right now. All right, so top 3 over here kind of stays the same for me, but we'll see how today goes. And then the today area and habits. Okay, so let's do the to-do section. Fridays, I will typically focus on like kind of hitting the reset button just because Fridays are my work from home day. So I do have the liberty of doing a little bit of stuff while I'm able to work. So we are going to do more laundry. We need to focus on some bedding today though, because my God. I've already watered the plants, which is normally a Friday thing, but that's already done. I do want to kind of vacuum the whole house. So we're going to do vacuum upstairs And then Roomba downstairs, which I'm kind of having like a bit of an issue with our Roomba. I don't know if it's just like old. I don't know. It's just not functioning as well as it used to. I don't know. I kind of at some point want to upgrade to the one that has like the canister so it can go empty itself a couple of times. I'm just not sure. It just hasn't been working quite as well. If you guys have a Roomba and you have any tips, please let me know. I also forgot to mention, in case you haven't noticed, I'm using the Zebra Blend in 0.7. I'm usually a 0.5 planner, but lately this one's been really like, I'm staying with it. I'm liking it. So we're just gonna roll with it. All right, so other things is I need to go through my planner cabinet. That has been a huge project for me, is to purge through the, how many years have I been in this planner community? Like 8 years now? Wait, 9 years. Yeah, 9. Oh my God. Okay. There's a lot of stuff in that cabinet and I kind of want to reorganize it. I had talked about, like possibly getting these tubs where I can put like everything related to Go Wild, or all of my used planners, but I actually want to keep them like memory keeping style. And then there's a lot that really just needs to get donated, like stuff that I've never actually used, but isn't necessarily outdated. And I want to donate those either to like a school or just some type of organization that could make better use of them other than sitting in my cabinet, because that's just, yeah. But that's an ongoing project that I want to work on. Also want to look at our budget since it is the end of the month, and pay any bills related to the first of the month. Those things definitely need to get done. Okay, as far as errands go, I might actually wash my car today. That might actually happen. It looks like it's not going to rain for the 500th day of the year, and that would be awesome. There's nothing worse than taking your car to the car wash and like it rains later that day or the next day. It just, I don't know. Car wash, I will probably go to the post office today. Reason being is because now I need to return my Stitch Fix box. Let me just put that, Stitch Fix return. So I'm thinking of putting a pause on getting Stitch Fix just because I don't really need it anymore at this point. I went like a whole year where I had it turned off because I was getting like monthly boxes and it got to be too much. And I was a place where I was like, okay, I really don't need a box monthly of clothing. So I turned it off. And then recently I turned it back on because I had like changed sizes a little bit and just needed my wardrobe refreshed a little bit. But now I'm at that point again where I'm like, okay, we can turn this off. So I really need to go. That needs to be probably a task that needs to be squeezed up here to turn that off. Other errands, I do need to go to Publix and just grab a few things, but it's also not necessarily our grocery day. Just for a couple of recipes that I want to make this weekend. I want to make some buffalo chicken dip. I don't know why. I've really been craving buffalo chicken dip lately. So that might be something that gets to happen today. Content-wise, we are going to film this plan with me that you're watching right now. And then I might film one tomorrow and post that. Maybe on Sunday. I don't know. I'm on a roll. Sometimes I want to film a lot of content and sometimes I'm like, I kind of need a break. So I might do that. So film weekly plan with me as well so that can go up on Monday. I need to post to Instagram. And then I need to actually post to TikTok. I've been saving some of the things that I post on Instagram to go post over there. Nothing wrong with like a little cross posting, but I fell off of posting over on TikTok and I want to like get back into it. And then I of course need to go through my emails and then, emails. My goodness, my handwriting is trash today, but it's okay. And then comments and messages on all the platforms. Okay, so I think top 3 for the focus today will be making sure I take my medication, which I just put in for my refill through my doctor's nurse. Fingers crossed my message gets read before the weekend. I sent it yesterday, which was Thursday, so I don't really know how quickly they read their messages, but hopefully, because my stuff runs out on Tuesday, next Wednesday. We'll see. All right, vitamins, that's a must. I'm trying to like up my B12 intake, just feeling a little sluggish these days. I should probably go to my doctor and actually get that checked to make sure that it's not something else. Because sometimes, like, oh my God, I could go on a tangent about my thyroid issues because, you know, again, if you're new here, I don't have a thyroid. I lost it due to cancer. So sometimes with me, what I notice is when seasons change, my thyroid levels kind of like they fall off like their normal levels a little bit, and my medication has to be adjusted. And that one of the ways that I notice that is like my exhaustion is suddenly different. And I'll just notice other things too. I don't know. It's just everyone's body's different, but I will notice that like my eyebrows thin out even more thinner than they already are. And I'm like, whoa, you know, it's just those little indicators where you're like, I should probably get that checked. So I should probably schedule some blood work sometime soon. What else? What else do we need to focus on? Oh, water, because I didn't drink any yesterday, so that's not fun. But yeah, let's get that done. So hydration. All right, let's work on this schedule. So I have been using the, what is this? The gray Erin Condren Daily Duo to write in my times in this planner because in the Makselife, it is truly undated and untimed. So since I didn't have to wake up quite as early this morning, I'm going to start at 8. I mean, I woke up before that, but that's not the point. It's also Friday, so my day will run a little bit later. I skip lines just because I like it. To me, it looks a little bit more cluttered for my eyes to see every single line filled out. So you got to do what works for you. This is what works for me. All right, now I'm going to grab the dot marker because I'm going to need that for my habits as well. And we're just going to put a little AM routine here and PM routine around 10. It will probably be later, but you know, we're not judging here. Okay, so AM routine and then PM routine. All right, and then I think because I'm kind of in an on-call situation today, I'm just gonna put on-call here and then just kind of put it in a box. Let's see, I'm gonna grab this little ruler, make that work. On-call, oh my God, that does say call. What in the world? Oh man, okay. And then that is just until 4 o'clock. I might actually try to walk my dogs during lunch today. I could probably use a little bit of time outside. It wouldn't hurt, right? All right, on call. And then let's see, dinner time. We are going to do probably another pizza night. I don't know. I need to ask my family what we want to do. So I'm just going to put takeout. I cannot spell takeout. My God. Let's get some whiteout. And now we get to see, I don't really care for the big whiteout, so let's get the Tombow correction tape. That's a no. I prefer the Tombow correction tape. Now we get to test out this zebra blend to see how it works over some whiteout. Not all pens work great over whiteout, and this was smooth, like butter. All right, so after that, I have my Friday Night Live, and I have just been into making these little boxes everywhere. I've been doing it a lot in my plum paper, so we're gonna do the same thing here. So we'll just do FNL. Wait, I wanted to do 7 p.m. You know what? It is what it is. We'll just do an arrow because it's an hour long, so that's over on Instagram. Well, by the time you see this. It will have already happened. But in case you didn't know, every other week I do host a show over on Instagram called Friday Night Live, where we just, you know, chit chat about all the things from planners to life to news, all the good things in between. So that is tonight, aka yesterday, when it already happened. Okay. All right, let's track some water. Let's actually drink some water today is probably what we need to do. Nope, not that pen. Let's grab the dot marker, and I'm just gonna do 8 of these to track my water. And then habits, we'll do 3 on this side and then 3 over here. I can never seem to write these perfectly straight, and I think that that's okay. So audiobook, I might try to listen to my book while I put away some laundry. Also, if you have any suggestions for audiobooks that you have loved, or books in general, if you're a traditional paper book reader, let me know, because I'm looking for my next book. And honestly, I love a good series. I love a good series. So green juice, yes. And I'm not going to lie, sometimes I save my green juice more for the weekend because your girl does not have a gallbladder, and green juice can cause some catastrophic things. Oh my God, did I really just say that in this video? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So yeah, I feel safer drinking it on the weekends because I'm at home. All right, so AM, skincare, PM. Oh my God, I don't know what I was writing there. Let's try to save this. Skincare. And what would be the last one? I already wrote journal. Let's just put walk dogs. And actually, I'm just going to say walk Brody. We can no longer walk Bruiser because he is completely blind. It just would not be the same experience for him. All right, so that is what we have for today in my daily planner. Yeah, this was a little wild. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.